Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about erythropoiesis. We will start our topic with introduction. Erythropoiesis is process of producing red blood cells or erythrocytes in the body. This is the process that occurs primarily in the bone marrow and is tightly regulated to meet the oxygen demands of tissue. Talking about location of erythropoiesis, it depends on the stages of development of human being. In prenatal stages during embryonic development, erythropoiesis occurs in different tissues like yolk sac, liver, and spleen. But as development progresses, it shifts to the bone marrow. In postnatal and adult stages, adult erythropoiesis will predominantly occur in the red marrow of flat bones like sternum, pelvis, and ribs, and the ends of long bones. Now let's talk about stages of erythropoiesis. Erythropoiesis involves multiple stages of differentiation and maturation. The first stage is hematopoietic stem cells. This process begins with multi-portion hematopoietic stem cells which are capable of differentiating into various blood cells. The second stage is common myeloid progenitor cells. In this stage, progenitor cells are committed to producing myeloid lineage cells including erythrocytes. The third stage is formation of proerythroblast. After the second stage, first recognizable precursor of RBCs that are proerythroblasts are formed. These cells are large and with prominent nucleoli. The fourth stage is basophilic erythroblast. After the proerythroblast, basophilic erythroblast is formed. At this stage, hemoglobin synthesis begins and the cell reduces its size. Fifth stage is polychromatic erythroblast. In this stage, cytoplasm begins to change color due to increased hemoglobin concentration. And the sixth stage is orthochromatin erythroblast. In this stage, nucleus condenses further and is eventually expelled. And the seventh stage is formation of reticulocyte. In this stage, immature RBCs enter the bloodstream and continue to mature for about 1 to 2 days. Eighth stage is mature erythrocyte. That is, fully functional RBCs are formed that are biconcave, lack a nucleus, and are rich in hemoglobin. So there are mainly 8 stages of erythropoiesis. We will repeat these stages. The first stage is hematopoietic stem cell formation. Second stage is common myeloid progenitor cell formation. Third stage is proerythroblast formation. Fifth stage is basophilic erythroblast formation. Sixth stage is polychromatic erythroblast formation. Sixth stage is orthochromatic erythroblast formation. Seventh stage is formation of reticulocyte, and eighth phase is maturation of erythrocyte. Now there are some factors that regulate erythropoiesis, and these factors are erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is basically a hormone produced mainly by the kidneys in response to hypoxia, and hypoxia is low oxygen level in blood. Erythropoietin stimulates the bone marrow and increases the RBC production. The second regulatory factor for RBC production is nutrients. That may be iron, that is essential for hemoglobin synthesis, and vitamin B12 and folate is also essential for regulation of erythropoiesis as it is required for DNA synthesis during RBC production. Other factors that regulate erythropoiesis are thyroid hormones, growth hormones, cytokines like interleukin 3 also play a supportive role in the erythropoiesis. Now let's talk about what are the related disorders to erythropoiesis. These are abnormalities in erythropoiesis that can lead to anemia, that is basically reduced RBC production or shortened lifespan of RBCs. There examples of anemia may be iron deficiency anemia or pernicious anemia. The second disorder related to erythropoiesis is polycythemia, that is excessive RBC production, which can thicken the blood and cause complication. The third disorder of erythropoiesis is bone marrow disorder. That is condition like aplastic anemia or myelodysplastic syndrome that disrupt erythropoiesis. So this was all about erythropoiesis. Hopefully you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.